Chika update. Sikat na mga celebrities bumuhos ang luha. Paalala lang po, ang video na ito ay base lamang sa nakalap na impormasyon at nag-viral na rin sa iba't ibang platform, maging sa social media at Instagram. Malungkot na inihayag ng mga malalapit na kaibigan ng aktres ang naging karamdaman. Kris delivered the news that her condition has not improved since her last post in November last year. She said, "My feeling weak since Thanksgiving, had lost her appetite despite existing mostly on milk, and had to deal with recurring headaches." Ani pa niya, "I was having dizzy spells, and my BP, blood pressure, had very weird fluctuations." The former actress and host lost significant weight, going down to 92 ibs, which made her reluctant to post pictures on social media. Pahayag ni Kris, lagi siyang lumaban against the illness has become more complex. "Pero pangako ko sa inyo mga anak ko at sayo mahal kong kapatid, I won't be a wimp. And I'm promising all my friends plus all who continue to pray for me, bawal sumuko, tuloy pa rin ang laban." Recently, Kris was visited by her showbiz friends Angel, Bella Padilla and Kim Chu, while they were on holiday in the States. Ikaw, ano ang masasabi mo? Kung bago ka pa lang sa Chika Ko, please huwag kalimutan mag-like, mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell upang lagi kang update sa Chika Ko.